In front of me is Motorola Edge 70, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to hit this section called Security and Privacy. Then scroll again and this time click on Device Unlock. Now, before we even begin, you absolutely need to have screen lock to set up face recognition, simply because your Motorola won't allow you to add your face data without a screen lock. So if you don't have it, set it up here by tapping on screen lock and picking one of those lock-in methods, and then go back to hit face and fingerprint unlock. Enter Set Screen Lock and tap on Face Unlock section available here. Now choose Setup. At the bottom right corner, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then hit Done. And if you wanna manage any Face Unlock options, you can do that by hitting Face Unlock here and using those switches to enable or disable Skip Lock Screen and Lift to unlock. You can also redo Face Scan if it doesn't work, or even delete face data by tapping on this button and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Either way, when you finished, you can finally go back. So now let's check if it works. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!